In this video, I'll show you how to download Google Chrome on your Windows PC quickly and easily. First, open Microsoft Edge or any web browser that's already installed on your computer. Next, search for Google Chrome and open the official Google Chrome website. Once you're on the download page, click the Download Chrome button to get the latest version available for your device. If a confirmation window appears, simply review the terms and click Accept and Install to continue. The Chrome installer will start downloading automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may only take a few seconds. After the download is complete, open the installer and allow it to make changes to your device if Windows asks for permission. Now, wait a moment while Google Chrome installs. The installation usually finishes very quickly. Once it's done, Google Chrome will launch automatically. You can then choose to sign in with your Google account to sync your bookmarks, passwords, browsing history, and other settings across all your devices. For the best experience, you can also set Google Chrome as your default browser during the setup process. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Google Chrome on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching.